Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Mora International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 7, that is simple machines, and today we will discuss about inclined plane and wedge. In the previous lectures, we had discussed about machine. We had discussed about simple machines, then we discussed about lever, first class lever, second class lever, third class lever. This much we had already discussed in this chapter. Now today we are going to discuss about inclined plane. So inclined plane is a simple machine used to move objects to a high place. Again I am repeating, an inclined plane is a simple machine used to move loads to a higher place. Okay, so you have seen this type of machines, this type of things in your regular life also. Okay class, like if have you seen that some people's removing loads from the truck, so they use a inclined plane, or they use a piece of wood like this, and they use to roll the things downside and they roll the things upside. This helps them to move the things on a higher place from the ground. In the same way, the roads which are going towards the hills, they are inclined plane. In the same way, the sides of bridges, it is also inclined plane. So in this way, inclined planes help us to move the heavy loads towards upsides. Okay, so as I told you, that is, inclined planes are a piece of wood like a ramp. Okay, a ramp, wooden planks, slides, roads going up towards the uphill. These are the examples of inclined plane. These are the examples of inclined plane, which helps the heavy loads to move upside. Now this inclined plane, the principle of this inclined plane used because we can move heavy loads to a high place by applying a less amount of force. Here, if we want to move a heavy load to the high place, we have to use a whole lot of force. But if we use inclined plane, then with a less force we can move the heavy load towards the high place. So this is why we use inclined plane. Now the next is wedge. So wedge is a simple machine which works on the principle of inclined plane. Here what happens, two inclined planes join together. Two inclined planes join together. So wedge is a simple machine which works on the principle of inclined plane. Wedge is a simple machine which works on the principle of inclined plane. And here two inclined planes are joined together, so they produce a sharp edge. Okay, that is called wedge, or you can say it edge also. So this edge, these two inclined planes joined together like an X. The best example is an X. So whenever we put X in a gap, whenever we put this X or this wedge in a gap, what happened, this inclined planes force on the sides, so they will separate. Okay class, so they will separate. When edge is pushed into a gap, the load is forced on its sloping sides, so it will make a space between the more it will increase the gap more and it will separate the thing at least. So This is the principle of working of an edge. So this makes this allow us to use the force on that gap easily. Okay, so the like X, knife, razor, these all are the examples of wedge. So almost inclined plane and wedge, uh, two simple machines, and one machine, that is wedge, works on the principle of inclined plane. So class, I hope you are able to understand about inclined plane, that is a sloping. By the help of that, we use a heavy load towards the upside, and when we add two inclined planes together, then it acts as a wedge. So class, see this lecture again and again. If any problem, ask me. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.